So what are the main differences between the MSI Claw A8 and the MSI Claw A8 Plus, you might be asking? Well, let's take a look today. Internally, the MSI Claw A8 is the AMD version running the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor. This comes with integrated Radeon 890M graphics based on the RDNA 3.5, offering strong gaming performance and mature driver support. The Claw A8 typically comes in a 1TB storage configuration and includes 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM. The NVMe drive in the Claw A8 uses a 2280 slot, which is the most common SSD form factor. These are easier to find, generally cheaper, and can go all the way up to 8TB. So if you want a massive game or emulation library, this has more flexibility. The Wi-Fi in the Claw A8 is the Wi-Fi 6E, not the latest standard, but still very fast and reliable in real-world use. It also features an 8-inch 120Hz LCD BRR display with decent color reproduction, an 80Wh battery, and a microSD card slot for expandable storage. On the other hand, looking at the MSI Claw A8 Plus, it's the Intel version running the Intel Core Ultra 7258V. This features an integrated Intel Arc graphics, which have improved significantly over time, while there are still some compatibility quirks in certain titles, and driver support has matured. Performance has become much more consistent as well. The Claw A8 Plus comes in either 1TB or 2TB of configuration. In the UK, for example, the Polar Tempest White version includes 2TB, but this does vary by region. There are some regions where the Polar Tempest version still only has 1TB, so do your due diligence and check that. The A8 Plus uses the smaller 2230 NVMe slot. These drives are more compact, slightly more expensive, and currently they max out at around 2TB in storage size, so much less space compared to the other. It does include 32GB of LPDDR5X RAM and supports the latest Wi-Fi 7. Like the A8, it also uses an 8-inch 120Hz LCD BRR display. It has an 80Wh battery and a microSD card slot also for expansion. Now if we move to looking at the external differences, so moving to the physical design, the MSI Claw A8 has a more angular, sharper aesthetic. The rear grips are more pronounced, which in my opinion improves the ergonomics, and it does reduce hand fatigue during longer sessions. The button placement feels more natural. I can reach the triggers and face buttons without scratching my thumbs into more awkward positions. However, the buttons are more clacky and audible, and overall materials feel slightly less premium compared to the A8 Plus. The A8 feels slightly lighter overall, around 760 grams, and aesthetically I think it does look very nice. The MSI Claw A8 Plus has a more rounded overall shape. It sits comfortably in the palms, but the rear grips aren't as pronounced. As a result, the device does feel heavier in use, and hand fatigue can set in sooner, at least in my experience. You can remedy this with custom grips or cases, but that does add on extra weight as well. The button placement isn't quite as ergonomic for me when using the triggers and top buttons. There's a noticeable thumb stretch depending on the game and input layout that you need to use. That said, the buttons are less clacky. Overall, the build quality feels more refined, more premium. The official weight is around 795 grams, and while the difference doesn't sound a lot on paper, it does feel noticeable in the hand and after longer periods of use. Aesthetically, I think both devices look really great. There are subtle design differences, but both are genuinely enjoyable to use. One thing I did want to note out between both, so for example, when we put CPU boost off, the MSI Claw A8 Plus runs considerably quieter. At times, the fans are quite inaudible, and the speakers at moderate volume can drown out the fans, and it's a really good experience. On the Claw A8, on the other hand, it does tend to run more aggressively. Even in lighter games, the fan noise is more noticeable. It can be masked still with higher volumes, but overall it's much louder in comparison when the CPU boost is disabled. So in summary, both devices have pros and cons, and you really can't go wrong with either. If you're on the fence, I hope this helped clarify the most noticeable differences at a first glance. The great thing about handheld PCs is how customizable they are, so you can add custom grips for ergonomics, tweak fan curves, upgrade storage. There's even a storage compatibility to convert the 2230 drive in the MSI Claw A8 Plus to the 2280 standard. So you can actually upgrade that and tweak that to work. You can also adjust the display settings, boost saturation color to your liking, make it a little bit more punchy OLED if that's what you like. ultimately, the device can be tailored to your own preferences. So I hope you enjoyed this quick overview. If you'd like to see more content like this in the future, consider subscribing, leave a like, let me know in the comments which one you would choose, which one you would like to see next. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.